We are pleased to show you the 2013 CLS class. Simple infatuation quickly becomes an unwavering devotion. Comes with abundant power with quick steering that offers great feedback. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steel wheels, power sunroof, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry, dual climate zones, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.